Hello viewers, welcome to the course e-assessment. In this video, we are going to see how to create an e-portfolio by using Google Sites. What is Google Sites? It is a free website to create websites. We can develop the website and create the content of the pages by ourselves or in collaboration with others. As the owner of the website, one can give permission to the collaborators, also as an owners to edit and publish, and learners and parents to visit for viewing purposes only. We can decide who can edit, upload, and comment on the website. Why using Google Sites to create e-portfolio? Because it is free and easy to create. This does not require any web coding. Google Site gives opportunity to create the website solely or in collaboration with others. Since it is incorporated with other Google apps and tools, it is easy to share videos, files, images, presentations, or calendars. And it will be stored on Google's server with 100 MB of free online storage. How do teachers use Google Sites? Teachers can create a web page for the class in which they can post projects, rubrics, upcoming events, assignments, and tutorials for learners as additional materials of the course. They can recognize and communicate learning outcomes through e-portfolios, collect and examine data about the learner's achievement on learning outcomes and using the data for the improvement of course. How do learners use Google Sites? Learner can create a portfolio for academic works, professional works, and personal works in Google Sites. They can also interact with the learners around the world to develop content and to share their ideas. They can collect, present, and share information through web for the purpose of recording course preparations, academic growth, and professional appraisal. And finally, they can continue the individual e-portfolios not only during the course but even after that. Okay, how to create e-portfolio through Google Sites. Step 1. Create a site. First, we have to open new Google site in a browser. If you have a Gmail account, log in with that, or else sign up and create a new account by following the instructions. Now, the Google site is open. Then at the bottom right, there is a plus button. You have to click it to create a new site. Add a title for your site and type or paste the content on your site. And publish your site by clicking the Publish button at the top right. When you publish it, it will ask for the web address. You have to type the address, which is more suitable, and a short name so that it will be easy for others to access your site. After you type the website name, it will show whether it is a new name or already exists. If it is already exists, you have to type a new one. There is another option called Who Can View My Site. There is another option called Who Can View My Site, in which you have to set who can edit, who can only find and view your site. Basically, you can set your collaborators to edit, or if it is a group assignment, you can even set your students to edit the site. Otherwise, you can set others only to view your content. And there is another option called Invite People, in which you can put the mail ID of your students to see your site. After you finish all these things, now you can publish your site. So far, we have discussed what is Google Site, how a teacher and a learner can use Google Sites to develop e-portfolio, and the steps in the creation of e-portfolio by using Google Sites. Thank you.